All right, so we're gonna try this tonight. We're gonna try to see if we can get you guys up to sleep with the big birdies tonight, huh? That's what they want. And I got it all cozied up here for you, so I'm gonna bring you up one at a time. I'm gonna be leaving the cage open, so hopefully I'll be able to figure out how to get back down and get the water. I'm gonna let you drink water for a second. Good girl, Olivia. We got y'all a whole new nesting box over here, but for tonight I think you want to sleep with the big birds. So let's see what we got here. Woo-hoo. I got Spunky, the little girl Spunky. Spunky, look. There Margo, you just hang out up there, don't fall. Who's next? We got little Sweetie, Sweetie. And where's Angel? There's Angel right behind me. Hi, Angel. You want to go? Oh, her a loud one. Look at her. Oh my gosh. So sweet. All right. No, look, Spunky. You already came out. You got to stay up there. And PJ's still getting water. PJ thirsty. But now he got a worm stuck on his face. Here we go, big boy. And here's my PJ. He likes to always... He doesn't want to be held. He wants to perch. Look at that precious boy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Look, the big birdies are not happy about all this, huh? There you go. Spunky, you're always the one that comes out, huh? There you go. Look, I put you a nice perch up there. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm still not happy with this. Every day we live and we learn, right guys? I know, Olivia, I hear you. So, I'm gonna let you guys get situated there for a little bit. Look, you've already got your head behind. Where is your head? Oh my God, it's not even your head, it's your butt. You are backwards, Spunky. So I was hoping you guys would just find this to be a good perch. Hopefully you guys can stay put there. I don't know. Otherwise, our only other option is to put you back in your cage for the night, or to put you into the new area that we just built today. Built-in nesting boxes, but I really thought you'd be happy in here because you're right under the big mamas. So I'm gonna let y'all try this out for a few minutes and come back in and check on you, okay? Oh my gosh. Oh, what in the world? What? This is no good. This is no good. I'm already not happy. No. PJ. I don't know. You guys need to be on that bottom level or something. Let's try that out, okay? Oh no, PJ. No. All right, I'm gonna try that in just a second, okay, guys? I'm telling you, we live and we learn. Every day, look at Manfred out there. He knows he can't come in here with the baby birds because he just wants to. He can't do that. He's good with the baby birds until they start to cry like this. And then he doesn't know what to do. All right, guys, let's figure this out. Take